Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Ledger Nano X seed phrase using Ledger Live detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Ensure your Ledger Nano X is connected to your device. Unlock your Ledger Nano X by entering your PIN code. Once unlocked, navigate to the Ledger Live interface. In the app, click on the Accounts tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select the account that you wish to back up. Locate the Settings gear icon and click on it. In the Settings menu, find the option labeled Security. Click on Security to access your seed phrase options. Look for the Backup Your Recovery Phrase section. If you haven't already set this up, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the instructions to view your recovery phrase. Make sure you are in a private and secure location while doing this. Carefully write down each word of your seed phrase. Ensure that each word is spelled correctly and in the correct order. Once you have written down your seed phrase, double-check it for accuracy. Store the written seed phrase in a safe and secure place. Do not share your seed phrase with anyone, as it is your key to accessing your assets. If you wish, you may encrypt the written seed phrase or store it in a safe deposit box for added security. After backing up, return to the Ledger Live dashboard. Regularly check for updates to the Ledger Live application to maintain security. Congratulations! You have successfully backed up your Ledger Nano X seed phrase using Ledger Live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.